It's hard to know when an irrigation zone is performing at maximum efficiency. Measuring the flow level can help identify and troubleshoot leaks. It can also help to identify if a filter needs cleaning or if an emitter is clogged. Avoid the headaches of dead plants, flooded areas, and wasted water. The flow indicating basket filter is a low-cost alternative to digital flow meters that works with any controller. Now you can assess the total zone flow rate of your installation, monitor irrigation system performance over time, know when filters require maintenance, or when the system needs a flush. You can even retrofit an existing Rainbird control zone kit that uses a basket filter or quick check basket filter to gain the benefits and monitoring capability of the flow indicating basket filter. Remove the existing cap and filter. Put in the new flow indicating basket filter and install the new cap. Next, turn on the zone. Then set the flow indicator to match the current flow. It's that simple. Your irrigation system now has pressure regulation, filtration, and flow measurement at a fraction of the cost of digital flow sensing. Be sure to install the retrofit kit on existing systems without any leaks, breaks, clogs, or missing emitters. Otherwise, those existing flow issues will not be accurately detected. From flow indication to filtration to pressure regulation, the Rainbird flow indicating basket filter is the solution for a healthy irrigation system.